Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channel here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate a ring vibration on Motorola GL6 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings of course, and then in the settings page, scroll it down a little bit and we'll find the sound and vibration option. Just click it. Now in the sounds and the vibration page, scroll it down again. We'll find the vibration and haptics, click. Now at the first option, which is ring vibration, if you want to activate it, you just have to tap on the button beside the ring vibration. I'm gonna tap on it, and when it's activated, when you get a new ring, there are a vibration to you guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to activate a ring vibration on Motorola GL6 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.